Look at this. We are getting there, almost done. So I bring out the heat a bit to medium high.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. As you all know, there's one very popular canned food called minced meat with mushroom paste or minced meat mushroom paste, 香菇肉酱, right? It is actually not difficult to make it at home. So Appa is going to show you how to make it. As the name suggests, it is minced meat, yeah? So I have approximately 300 grams of minced meat here. Now Appa has to confess that today Appa's minced meat is a little bit too fatty. When I choose that particular portion of meat, I actually thought it's like 70% lean meat and 30% fat. So it looks okay, but after it came out after the mince machine, it became a little bit too fatty. But it's okay, I still can use it. But for you all, just use some lean meat with a bit of fat, yeah, will do. I have approximately 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. And I'm going to put in 2 kinds of bean paste here to mix to get the flavor I wanted. The first one is this thing called broad bean paste, 1 tablespoon. And the second one is the sweet bean paste, also 1 tablespoon. So if you can't find broad bean paste, you can use the normal soya bean paste, yeah, fermented soya bean paste or taochu. And it's good to mix with some sweet bean paste so that you can really get that particular flavor. And there's actually one more thing for you to take note. I'll show you shortly. Alright, so next thing you're going to take note is try to use a wok which is non-stick. Why? Because this kind of bean paste, it can stick to your wok extremely easy, right? And you can get chao ta very easily. So use a non-stick, yeah? So then we will give it a bit of oil here. Appa almost forget to introduce this main ingredient, which is the mushroom dice, yeah, or minced mushroom. This is a few pieces of dried shiitake mushroom, and soak it under water until it is softened and expanded. Then you cut it into dice, yeah, and you want to keep the mushroom water as well. Once the oil is heated up, you can then put in the minced meat. And you want to saute the minced meat for a couple of minutes before we continue. A few things you want to do here. Number 1, you want to render out the pork fat. Number 2, you want to give it a bit of brown. You want to brown it a little bit, yeah? So keep on stirring this until it started to brown. Actually, just now it looks very fatty, but now it looks very okay, right? So it is indeed alright, no problem. Appa bought this piece of pork. I think it's loin. I think I chose a loin. Is it loin? I can't remember. 中嘴. It's actually the 中嘴. What is it called? It is, how much I pay for it? I think 1 kg approximately 40 ringgit. I was told the pork belly, which is the most expensive part, it is 48 ringgit per kg right now. I got it from the traditional wet market. Now you start seeing the pork started to brown a little bit. I will brown it a little bit more to get more flavor. And also you see the pork lard started to release. Alright, this is after approximately 4 or 5 minutes. Yeah. You can see it has started to brown. Now we can actually put in the ginger and also garlic. You can put in some chili as well if you like, yeah, because my daughter may want to eat it, so I don't put any chili. Now it's super fragrant. Now some may ask, do you need to marinate your minced pork? You can if you want to. Marinate it with some salt and also white pepper and also Shaoxing wine. That would be good. Wow, super fragrant. Next thing, I'm going to put in the broad bean paste with the sweet bean paste. Actually, it's a little bit lesser than 1 tablespoon. Now you want to tune down the fire, not too hot. These two pastes can get burned quite easily. And of course, as the name suggests, the sweet bean paste is sweet already, yeah? Look at the color, immediately it changed very dark. It gets the caramelized color. And it is super fragrant right now. Now if you don't have sweet bean paste, then you probably just put fermented bean paste is good enough, yeah? But of course you won't get the kind of that particular canned minced meat mushroom flavor exactly. If you mix these two, then you will get that flavor. Alright, I'm tuning down the fire already. Then I'm putting in the minced mushroom. The mushroom water. This dish is almost done. I'm using medium-low heat right now. Giving a bit of oyster sauce here. Okay, not too much. Just a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. If you want darker color, you can put in some dark soy sauce. I just put in a bit of light soy sauce here. A few dashes of white pepper. A bit of Shaoxing wine. Look at this. We are getting there. Almost done. So I bring out the heat a bit to medium high. Let it cook until the sauce to thicken out by itself, and it's basically done. See how simple it is to make this 香菇肉酱 mushroom minced meat paste. You know, nowadays canned food is very expensive. You might as well make it at home yourself, and you know what exactly you put inside. Of course, for those who has cooking aqua chicken stock powder, you can put it inside here a bit also, no problem. It will even further enhance the taste, the flavor. The only thing you need to be careful is don't make it too salty or too sweet, because the broad bean paste is already salted and the sweet bean paste is already sweetened. Alright, it's basically done. See how simple it is. And this one you can eat it with anything, white rice, porridge, a lot of things. You can put it on top of steamed tofu, a lot of things. Even put it on top of steamed fish. And what you can do is you can actually put inside a jar and keep it inside your fridge. And don't keep it for too long. Finish it within a week. Okay? Basically it's done.